Okay, it's Monday, August 21st. I'm buying some Netflix at 406.81. This is here on the 1 minute chart. You can see it kind of worked up, paused a little bit, started higher. If you look at the 15-minute chart, this is kind of, I was watching that first bar come up to those pre-market highs and kind of pausing in this area. So I think we're going to take out that as a target. Let's call it the 408 area. That's where I could set up a no-risk trade. I want to keep the stop the midpoint of this first bar. On the daily chart, after a move down and taking out some key stops here, we are starting higher today on a 2 up with kind of a fair value gap in here. If it wants to rally a little bit, it can get up to that 415 area type of thing. So there's still room to run into this area. And I just like after this opening that we should take out that pre-market high at a minimum, even if we're going to reverse. In the big picture, what I don't like is that we have kind of the red bars on the weekly chart that should maybe test those lows. We're starting up a little bit to start the week. We'll see if we can get maybe to the halfway point of that bar on any kind of an up move. Or, if it wants to reverse on the week, it might go up all week, but I'm not anticipating that. But for now, just with the green start to the week, it could eat into this a little bit before turning lower. On the monthly chart, we do have the 2 down month that projects down here to the 390 area. So I still would love to get good sell signals eventually on Netflix that unfold. It would be weekly charts that can't get above the midpoint. It would be some kind of daily failure. At this point, since we have a 2 up, it would have to come below the low of today or the low, the low of the midpoint of yesterday kind of a thing to fail today. If not, we can get a 2 up, kind of move that somewhere in the week that eventually rolls over. Those will be better trades to the short side. But for now, I just see an opportunity to kind of take out that pre-market high and kind of rally a little bit into that fair value gap. So we'll see what unfolds on Netflix.